Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up to the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. Today I have something amazing to share with you. This is not clickbait. I did wait for this item for a whole freaking year, and I knew when I pre-ordered this item that it said it was going to come out late summer of the following year, but I had no clue it would actually surpass a year's time. So this is yet another Loungefly from Toyz and Fun, this time from our friends at Toyz and Fun. They're not really my friends. If they want to sponsor me, shout out to Toyz and Fun. You know where to find me. Come hit me up. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Because I already struggle. This box has already been opened. But what I love about it is that Toyz and Fun, what is it called? Yes. Toyz and Fun already has like their own bag. The wait is finally over. If you can tell, this is the cosplay Tafiti bag from Moana. Let's get her out. Ever. Sorry. Ooh, too thick. Oh my girl. She is gorgeous. Look at Tafiti. Oh, I love that. Look at that. Look at her. This beautiful green. Her eyes, her crown, the flowers. What is this, hibiscus? Comment down below if I was correct on that. If not, read me the film. And then you have this scene here of Moana on her boat with Maui and Heihei and Pua. And this beautiful blue as the ocean water plate here. And this scene. And okay, I won't sing because it's just what you see this. And you're like, how far I'll go. Okay, I lied. I will sing. This is just so. Oh, it just brings back some memories when years ago when I was living in California and I had an annual pass before they became, the Magic Keys. Yes, I'm that old. They had a Moana meet and greet, and she was so beautiful and so sweet. And I asked her if she can show me how to be a navigator, and we had this cool picture of us just like, trying to find out. So good. One of the best memories ever. That day was awesome. That day I just took the time to go and meet all kinds of characters in the park. Little did I know that was something they were going to take away during the pandemic. But it didn't affect me because I had left before that. But anyhow, look at this beautiful detail on the side. These are functioning pockets. Just love these. It's just like, I have been to Maui. I went for a work trip, a dance competition. Yes, I was a dance teacher, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, wonderful part. That was like the last major trip I took before the shutdown. But this is just like, get me back to Hawaii. And then the heart of Tafiti as the zipper bowl. Y'all, that detail is everything. And there's been so many Moana bags, so many. And I really do love Moana. I think it's one of the best films ever. The music is great. Lin-Manuel Miranda did amazing. That's how he got to, get his ticket so he can be doing Encanto, which is another amazing film. But yeah, this is everything. Again, not a fan of this, but what are you gonna do? This did not have a wallet to come with it, which is irksome because you know me, I like to have a set of things. So I didn't have a wallet, but I might just get a Moana wallet to just complement it anyway. So this is the lining here. You can see it has a beautiful scene of the boat on the water. This is reminiscent of how Maui tells his stories. It does have a zipper pocket inside, which is great. We got action, right? Suit Bills, we got action. So that is the inside. This is a bag I will take with me if I go on a trip, going obviously to Alawani. You see on the back here that they have Heihei and Pua just hanging out, looking so cute. I love that this has a detail like this. Just that little extra that elevates the bag. This bag feels so good. It does have silver hardware, by the way. But yeah, can you imagine? Just so great. Because I have her, again, I'd really like to eventually display this in the future with this Flock Tafiti from Earth Days. That it was a Walmart exclusive, which I have my own feelings and thoughts about that, but you know, whatever. But yeah, so I just think it'd be amazing once she's out, displayed next to her on the shelf. It'd be so cool. In addition, this Funko Shop exclusive golden edition of Moana herself, which I'm just obsessed. So again, her flanking one side of this bag. Just, you know, there's something going on here. It all will make sense eventually. But whenever I can get that display together, you know, but at least I'm slowly but surely collecting the resources for something that I'm truly going to enjoy when I see this bag and all my other bags. But this was so worth the wait. Please, Toys and Fun, I know it was not in your control, but you know, please don't make me wait for anything else in the future that long. That was such a long time to wait. Worth the wait, but man, I was getting crazy FOMO seeing everybody who was able to get this bag featured in some small shops elsewhere. I was like, what happened? Why did I only think Toys and Fun was the only one that had this bag? But it was on my radar, and I'm so happy to have it. Comment down below, do you have this bag? Do you love Moana? What's your favorite song from Moana? Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. There's a lot of you watching my videos who aren't subscribed, so please go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, but you get to see this again, and why wouldn't you want to see this again, right? No, I'm just kidding. That's like, lose all my subscribers now. But anyway, remember to be safe, tell someone you love them, because tomorrow is never promised, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!